Hello everyone. So I was just scrolling through the comment section and I just happened to read this comment from Jorge Jimenez. It reads, "You should do a how to think tutorial. I like to put these videos and watch them around my family and they would all be confused to what I am watching. Keep up good work." And this just got me thinking, and from this comment I present to you How to Think tutorial. Well, I thought long and hard about how I'm going to end up teaching you how to think, and that's just proof that I am qualified to teach you about this subject. Let me just give you some important knowledge about thinking so you understand what it is all about and see why it is so necessary to do yourself. So, what is thought? What is thought? Where does it come from? Oh, it comes from your head. Maybe like the brain. I think it comes from the brain. It's a bit of knowledge straight away for you. And that's it really, that's thought. That covers thought. We've done thought now. So there's loads of different types of thoughts and you can use them however you wish. So you could come up with a thought for like planning your next holiday vacation, or a thought for what you're going to eat next, or even a thought for how you're going to do the next bank robbery. It's just whatever you fancy really. Well, it's all well and good saying all these wonderful thoughts that we think about. Triangle-shaped planets. But how do we actually activate them in the first place? What can we do about that? Well, there are a few things that you can try, so I'd like to share them with you. How to activate thoughts. The first method is doing LSD or shrooms. It is not something you should ever try though, according to YouTube guidelines that have the authority to tear down videos and channels at will. But these drugs will apparently make you think more. But they're bad. Don't do them. They're not good. It's not good to do drugs. Don't do drugs. Bad, naughty. I'm sure there are better ways to unlock thinking. Yes, there are better ways. There are. So don't even need to think about that. I just know for a fact there are better ways. The next thing that you could do is to start speaking to someone. Not now. I'm busy. Yes, if you engage in conversation with someone, that is sure to unlock some thoughts. Please leave, you're messing up my thought process. I can't think. What are you doing? If you don't have any people to talk to, then you can try this next technique. Just pick a topic. It really doesn't matter what topic it is, and just think about that topic in your head. Like, for example, I can't think of a topic at the moment, but you kind of get the idea. Like, you just think about a topic. What topics are there? If that hasn't worked, then the next thing that you can try is just sitting in complete silence and just letting your brain completely switch off. Oh, sorry about that. I was just thinking about what would happen if the internet suddenly went down forever. Bit scared now, actually. What a terrible thought. Why was I thinking this? Oh, I'm going to need to lie down. That's awful. Oh dear. The internet? Why? Why would that happen to the internet? Don't go down, internet. Please. We need you, internet. Don't leave us. Please. And if none of those ideas have worked at all, then the very final thing you can try is to make a video on how to think. It's not going to be very good for your brain. It's going to struggle really hard to come up with any ideas, but it is a bit of thinking. It does use thinking, so you'll come up with something because you're thinking about it. It may be rubbish, it may be complete nonsense, and maybe it's probably best not to broadcast it to the whole world, but at least if you come up with a how to think tutorial video, then you'll be using some of your brain if you have any. So just give that a go maybe. And that completes the tutorial of how to think. If a thought has just suddenly come to you, then why not write it down in a comment section? Preferably on this video. It doesn't have to be this video, but might as well be on this video. It's about how to think, sharing thoughts. That's what you do. So just write it down and everyone will be able to see what you've written. Now I'm going to just sit here quietly and just think about all the thoughts that I've learned from this video. So I'm going to catch you all later, and I'm just going to sit here quietly now. Why is everyone just staring at me while I'm just thinking about stuff? It's a bit weird. Don't feel that comfortable. Why are they still staring at me? It's not good. This gives me a bit of anxiety. Oh dear. What could I do for an outro? Well, I wish I had learned something from my own teachings on this topic, but I've just learned nothing. I just wasn't paying attention at all. Stupid brain. Got nothing.